Hey guys, welcome back to Blitz Games. Today we have another booster box of Rise of the Floodborn from Lorcana. If you do want to see more Lorcana content, check out my channel. The last video we go over what the different rarities are and how many of them are in each pack. Today we're hoping to finally get an Enchanted and at the very least get at least 6 legendaries like we did in our last box, but let's see how this goes. Let's start opening them. All right, here we go. First pack. We have Enchantress, Duke Weselton, Milan, Legend of the Sword and the Stone, Raya, Prince Naveen, Rapunzel, first uncommon or second uncommon, Fang Crossbow, Card Soldiers, first rare, Teeth and Ambitions. Ooh, starting off strong. We got ourselves a legendary. We have Alice. Nice pull, nice pull. Like to see it. And a super rare. Foil, Yzma. Very nice. Good start. Let's keep that going. Let's get this Alice and Yzma sleeved up. Keep those over here for you. Keep track of this. All right. Pack number 2.
I want to open it.
Yeah. We'll give it to you.
I don't want to open it.
Oh, you want to open it? All right, go for it. All right, so we have Panic, James, the Queen, Croquet Mallet,
Ooh.
Peter Pan's Dagger, put the Storm Rage on. It's a highly used card. All right, first uncommon, Snow White. We have 4 dozen eggs. Sword in the Stone, first rare. You have Cinderella, nice pull. Another legendary, I'm liking this. We have Belle, very nice. Back to back. And we have a common, Flynn Rider. All right, let's get that Belle sleeve. Look at that. That is a hot start. Pack number 3. Can we keep it going? All right, we have Arthur, Owl, Easy, Fairy Godmother, Lady Tremaine, Charge, Zero to Hero, Nick Wilde, good uncommon. We have You Can Fly, first rare. Wow, legendary.
Ooh.
I'm liking this box. Fairy Godmother, and that means another legendary is going to be behind it. And a second one, Scar, very nice. And a foil rare, Cobra Bubbles.
Cobra Bubbles, my favorite.
Not a great card, but I do love some
Love
Cobra
him.
Bubbles. All right. I don't think I've ever seen this before. 4 legendaries in 3 packs? That's pretty crazy.
Awesome. Things are due for an Enchanted.
I really hope so. All right. Pack number 4.
I want to open it.
Here. Fairy Godmother, Scar, Belle, and Alice so far. Foil Yzma.
By myself.
Look at you. All right. Pack 4, we have Flynn Rider, Basil. Grumpy. Squirrelin. Merlin the Squirrel. Felicia. Always hungry.
Sure.
We have Charge. For uncommons, we have Pacha.
Pacha.
Yana. Cogsworth. Alright, rares. Starting off with a super rare. Cheshire Cat. Next one, another super rare. We have the Queen. Nice pull. And uncommon foil. Belle. Alright. On the side, we are keeping track of our points. Trying to have our best booster box yet. See if we can keep this luck going. Pack number 5. We have Ray. Popsicle. Painting the Roses Red. Dr. Facilier. Minnie Mouse. Magic Broom. First uncommon, Mouse Armor. We have another Belle. Nick Wilde. We have a regular rare, the Huntsman. Super rare, the Queen. And uncommon, Zero to Hero. Alright. Next pack.
No, I opened the last one all by myself.
Yeah, but not gonna happen again.
No, you gotta do it.
Oh, great. This one does not want to be opened. There we go.
Look at that. I loosened it for you.
Yeah, sure.
You're welcome.
All right, we have Gaston. Gumbo Pot. Sleepy. Legend of the Sword and the Stone. Raya. Cinderella. First uncommon is Pick a Fight. Followed by Daisy Duck. And another Cogsworth. Then we have regular rare, Christopher Robin. And a super rare, Tiana. And our foil, we have an uncommon, Most Diabolical Scheme. All right. We have Enchantress, Popsicle, Painting the Roses Red, Crab Merlin, Baloo the Fun-Loving Bear, Glass Cannon, Gaston the Singer, we have Pinocchio, Queen of Hearts. Our first rare is Merlin Shapeshifter. Another regular rare, Minnie Mouse. And a common, Last Cannon. We're slowing down a little bit here.
I think that was the first pack. No points.
All right. You want to open it or should I?
I want to open it.
All right, go for it.
Look at that. This is strong.
All right, Queen of Hearts. Duke Weaselton. Happy.
Like me.
I'm Stuck.
I'm stuck.
Tigger. Got a Winnie the Pooh theme going on.
My favorite.
Hercules. Uncommon Doc. Madam Mim Snake version. Queen of Hearts. Always seems to be the third uncommon. It's Queen of Hearts. Rare, we got Pete. Regular rare, Mrs. Judson. And a common, we have Jasmine, Heir of Agrabah. Alright, we need to get back in our groove. We lost it.
You do.
Still hoping to see that first Enchanted. I do not have one yet. Panic. Nothing to hide. Grumpy. I'm stuck. Go the distance. Benja. Uncommon Pinocchio. We have Nana. You Can Fly. We have Radigan's Marvelous Trap. Second one, regular rare. World's Greatest Criminal Mind. And a common Mulan. Or as I like to say, Milan.
No. It's the wrong one.
You. So we have Ray. That's a good card. Evasive. It's tough to beat on that one. Nothing to hide. Eudora. Kuzco. What did you call me? Jafar. That's seeing a lot of use now with the new Jafar. The Prince, our first uncommon. Pain. We have Binding Contract into our first rare. Is Queen of Hearts. Followed by a super rare. Grand Pabby. And a foil super rare. Raya. Very nice. Good pack. Leave up that Raya.
Light points is a foil super rare.
That's 3. Here. Right
Not
there.
bad.
For those of you interested in our scoring system, I'll put it down in the comments below. Alright, we have Radigan, Basil, Snow White, Winnie the Pooh. Great artwork, not a great card. Alicia, Hercules, Eli LaBeouf. We have Bounce, Pinocchio. Our first rare is Winnie the Pooh. 2-in-1 pack. We have a super rare, King Louie. And a common Donald Duck.
My turn.
It is your turn.
Can you open it?
Actually,
Yeah. Good job.
thank you. Glad I'm good for something.
Yeah, that's something.
Alright, we have Queen of Hearts to start us off. James. We have Eudora. Brocade Mallet. We have Fidget. Donald Duck. Dopey Uncommon. Launch.
I liked it.
Raya. I think the best of the dwarves is Doc. Falling Down the Rabbit Hole as our first rare. We have a legendary. Namari. And a common foil. Queen of Hearts. Leave up Namari. That's 5. Definitely solid on the legendaries. Still hoping for an Enchanted though.
I'm scoring hot so far.
Yeah, 5 legendary, definitely. +2. Foil super rares. Alright, we have Donald Duck. Owl, your favorite.
No, they're scary.
Hold Still. Fairy Godmother. What did you call me?
What did you call me?
Jafar. We have Li Shang. Donald Duck. The Floodborn edition. Merlin the Goat. First rare, Perplexing Signposts. Then we have a super rare, Beast, Selfless Protector. And a common, Happy.
I'm gonna open it this time.
Yeah, you're actually gonna
I'm
open
gonna
it.
actually open it.
Having some technical difficulties over here.
Pull it.
Alright, there we go.
Nice.
Alright, we have Gaston. Followed by Rabbit. Sneezy. Jiminy Cricket. We have Boone. Last Cannon. Gaston again. Singer version.
Nice.
Sardine Pan. Mother Gothel. Our first rare is a regular one. We have Lumiere. Followed by another regular rare, Strength of a Raging Fire. That's a good card. And common, Jafar. Okay. We got to get back on our little. We had a hot opening streak and
starting strong.
Not a lot of sense. All right, we have Flynn Rider.
So you're due.
Followed by Jasmine. Happy. Jiminy Cricket. Mulan. Let the Storm Rage On.
You said Mulan correctly. Wow.
Yeah. Eli LaBeouf. We have Donald Duke. Is that better?
No.
Sardine Can. Honest John. Not that honest version. We have a super rare Mickey Mouse. And a common James. All right, we're getting on the low side here. Still got another 8 packs, including one you have.
I'm gonna get it.
Sure?
No. I'm not sure. Yes, I'm sure.
All right.
Okay.
We have Verana. Cruella de Vil. Sleepy. Merlin Crab version. Go the Distance. Beast. The Prince. We have Daisy Duck. Launch. Our first rare is Little John, Loyal Friend. Followed by a super rare. We have Cogsworth. Nice. And a rare foil. Another Honest John. After this one, we have 2 rows left. Still looking for that first Enchanted.
It's to come.
It has really
You're due.
decided to avoid any boxes that I've had. Improvise. Cruella de Vil. Piglet. Winnie the Pooh. We have Minnie Mouse. Tiana. Caterpillar. Last Stand. Surfer version of Minnie Mouse. We have Flynn Rider. Another regular rare Pinocchio, and a common croquet mallet.
I like the croquet mallet. It's fun.
You can have it.
Thanks.
No problem.
I think I need some help with this one.
Too difficult.
Sometimes it's just too much work.
All right, we're starting off with a Hypnotize. The Knock. No white. We have Elsa, Gloves Off. Lady Tremaine. Benja. Lawrence. Bucky the Squirrel. Bashful. First rare is Grand Duke.
Bashful is me.
We have a super rare, Yzma. And a common foil, Fidget. Take this middle one. Feel it. This is the one.
You're right. That's definitely the one.
That's the one. Oh, now I'm
Look at that.
struggling.
You beat your last pack. You're struggling too. Oh no. You're my guy for that.
Radigan, Gumbo Pot, the Queen. We have Chip the Teacup, Baloo, Donald Duck, Fairy Godmother, Zero to Hero, Most Diabolical Scheme. We have Rabbit Merlin, followed by Mulan, and an uncommon Fairy Godmother. I feel like it's been a while since we've seen a legendary.
As opposed to a common.
Yeah, I wish Fairy Godmother was better. 'Cause the legendary is actually not bad, but
Opened it for me?
I opened it for you. I had a feeling you needed it.
Ow. No faith in me.
Yeah, we're starting off with Donald Duck Sleepwalker,
I don't think I've seen that.
Basil, Hold Still, Elsa Gloves Off. We have Tigger, Hercules, Rapunzel, Madam Mim the Snake, Most Diabolical Scheme. We have Hercules, followed by Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, and uncommon Madam Mim Snake. Alright, we're down to 4. Can we do it?
It's common.
We have Varana, Jasmine, Mulan, Chip the Teacup, another Mulan, Beast, Cruella, Yzma without Beauty Sleep, Queen of Hearts. Again, it's always the third one. Why? Here in Flabbersham, Shere Khan, and an uncommon Jafar. That's a nice looking foil.
Jafar.
All right, 3 left. Want to open this one?
I do. I don't.
Apple Birch.
I do.
Hypnotize. I think that's the way you started off your last pack.
It is.
Rabbit, Piglet, Squirrelin, as I call it, Boone, Prince Naveen. Jafar.
That looks cool.
Yeah, that is I like that artwork. Belle. Fairy Godmother. We have Maurice's Workshop. Super Rare. Dr. Facilier. And a common Eudora. Yeah, I think they front loaded this box. All the legendaries right at the beginning.
So cute.
Yeah, right? It's one of those boxes you just want to buy a few packs and then call it a day. Whoever bought the beginning of this box got some lucky packs. All right, we have Improvise, The Knot, Rapunzel, Cusco, Peter Pan's Dagger. We have Tiana, Pick a Fight, Ring the Bell, Hey Hey. On to our rares, we have Gaston, Super Rare, Lady Tremaine. That's nice. I need a couple more of those. And just a common Jiminy Cricket.
Don't disrespect Jiminy Cricket like that. Just a cool.
All right, here we go. Our last chance.
Open it. I opened it. Look at that.
All right, we're starting off with Arthur this time. We have Basil, Rapunzel, Dr. Facilier, Fidget, Cinderella, Robin Hood, Cheshire Cat, we have Blue Fairy. For rares, we have the Weight Set, Super Rare, Namari, and our last chance, we did get a rare, not a legendary, not a enchanted, Falling Down the Rabbit Hole. All right. Yeah, they really did front load that box.
Yeah, they really did.
All right, so just to recap, we got 2 foil super rares, Yzma and Raya.
I've crunched the numbers. You have 54.
Got 54 in that pack. Again, I'll put that down below in the comments. So we have Namari for legendary, Fairy Godmother, Scar, Belle, and Alice. All right. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And we'll see you again next time.